Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and welcome to another virtual walk around with me, Greg, here at Emerald House of Cars. Today I'm going to show you around this awesome Vauxhall Corsa Ecoflex 1.4 limited edition. Now the Corsa is probably the most popular hatchback under 10 grand, and it's easy to see why. With impressive styling, great features and awesome economy, there's not much else that you would need. So starting down here, you've got your halogen headlights, got your front fog lights, and you've got the nice mesh effect just around there. As part of the, obviously, you know, the limited edition, you get the nice styling here, such as the extended front splitter. You get the gloss black all the way across, get the nice body lines all across the bonnet, and of course you get front fog lights as well. Moving down, you've got your 17-inch gloss black alloy wheels just here, and you get the limited edition badging just under beside. You've got that gorgeous black metallic which shimmers fantastically inside. You can see we've got the extended side skirts all the way around and down as well. It is a two-door, so you can get the glass. You do obviously as well, of course, here get the built-in lip spoiler which gives it that real signature flair and character. Aerial up top, rear wiper, chrome badging, and you've got your chrome exhaust alongside your rear parking sensors as well. Now in terms of boot room on a Corsa, it's not actually that bad. They are popular for a reason, and that's because you can pretty much get anything you'd need in there, even a pushchair or a stroller at a very tight angle. But you can of course fold down the rear seats, so you would have increased luggage capacity. And moving around, you can see that metallic black really looks at home on this Corsa. It gives it a real smart aesthetic appearance. And one again, the Corsa now has become not just a cheap run around, it's become a car that people want, and with looks like this, it's really obvious to see why. But don't take my word for it, it's not just aesthetic, let me take you to the interior as well. So as part of the limited edition status, you get a stacked feature list on here, and you can see you've got real nice eye-catching style with the red and piano gloss black. We'll start off in the rear though, and you can see you've got full Isofix, you've got the red and the black contrast stitching, and you've also got that almost perforated cloth effect just there. On here you have of course got the sculpted seats, which are the sport seats. Again, that red and white trim all the way down, and you can see they are manually adjustable and really smart. There is no door inlay on there, but you have of course got your piano gloss black trim, electrically adjustable mirrors and electric windows. Moving on inside, from the driver's seat, plenty of stock here, which is why we're doing the walk round in a bit of a different area today. You've got the leatherette effect over the instrument cluster, and then you move around and you can see that gorgeous bright red. It looks a bit orange in this light because of the glare off the sun, but that bright red and gloss black which gives it a real nice abundance of character. So turning the Corsa on, it isn't of course keyless. There is the ignition just here, just above what you can see as the auto headlights, and you can click, well, not auto headlights, you can turn them on just there, sorry. You can see, turn them halfway, turn it on, starts first time, no issues apart from terrible music, but you've got a nice display on there as well. Black faces on the clocks, white and red contrast font with red needling. In the middle you've also got your instrument cluster. Here you've got your digital infotainment system. If you click on there you can check your oil life, your speed, and you can get all different options through there as well. Tyre pressures, units, tyre load, speed warning, and on speed you can go down and get your trip computer and different options as well. Really nice. Now the steering wheel on this is actually really slick as well. Nice upgrade from the standard Corsas back in my day. Leather, half perforated grip, flat bottom, chrome insert, multifunction such as your cruise control and speed limiter. You've also got your volume control, your Bluetooth and your media. Really impressive for a car of sub 10 grand. On here you've also got, like I say, your digital information system just there. You've got your high beam and indicators, and on here you have of course got your front and rear wipers as well. Moving down, we've got the touchscreen media system just here, so if you click on the home button you can see you can go on gallery, you can connect your mobile phone if you know, and you know Jack because he did it. You got mobile phone projection. You've also here got the settings if you want to change your time and date, radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB launch. You've got so many different options, and you've got the OnStar, and of course the audio here. If you click on source, AM, FM, DAB, and of course you've got USB and Bluetooth as well. You've got city mode here, which enables tighter steering for more nimble driving, and of course you've got your volume control and your track select just here. Central locking you can use when you're driving just there, and then we move down and you've got your single zone air conditioning, temperature here, aircon on or off using this button, recirculation, heated rear screen, and of course here you can see heated front screen, and of course you've got the fan and the air distribution control just there. Moving down from that, you've got your 12-volt charger and auxiliary, further storage, dual cup holder, and of course you've got your manual gearbox just here, finished with a leather gear gauge and a chrome surround, white stitching, leather head, pearl chrome black just on the top there. And to put it in reverse, there is a button underneath. Lift it, push it right way to the left, push it up, and then you're in reverse. Other than that, you're here, you've got your handbrake finished with the leather gaiter, storage, and another dual cup holder just there. For me, the Corsa is the standout option in terms of a budget-friendly hatchback that's going to running costs, low insurance, easy able to be serviced as there's many specialists pretty much anywhere, and great practicality. What's even more practical than that is, of course, this Corsa has been treated to the 128-point Emerald check prior to retailing. What that means is that this car has been given a thorough and meticulous mechanical and cosmetic check by our on-site RAC approved facility and all of our vastly experienced grease monkeys. If you want to see the results of that check and what goes into it, you can log online, go on the vehicle advert under vehicle inspection, and you can see the results just there. Now if you're looking to finance or part exchange, we can also offer you great offers as such as little even as 7.9% APR for many of the market leading partners, and that is just one thing and one reason why we are probably the best car dealership in the UK. So for me, it's a big thank you for taking time to watch a video. Hope you feel educated, informed, and more importantly I hope you feel excited to get behind the wheel of your new Vauxhall Corsa limited edition. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC-approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10, obviously.
10.
10, I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In the UK.
11.
Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
And I'll give you a 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.